Hi, this video is about Liam Neeson's biography. His real name is Liam John Neeson. Liam Neeson born in June 7, 1952. His birthplace is Ballymena, County Antrim, Northern Ireland. Now his residence is New York City, New York, US, and Millbrook, New York, US. He has dual citizenship, British and American. He is a Hollywood actor. His wife is Natasha Richardson, but she was died in 2009. Liam Neeson has two children. Estimates of Neeson's net worth is $40 million between 75 million dollars. Liam Neeson played very important roles in these movies: Pilgrim's Progress, Cristiano, Krull, A Woman of Substance, Ellis Island, The Bounty, Lamb, The Innocent, Hold the Dreams, If Tomorrow Comes, The Delta Force, The Mission, Dude for One, Sworn to Silence, Suspect, A Prayer for the Dying, and Satisfaction, High Secrets, The Deadpool, The Godmother, Next of Kin, Dark Man, The Big Man, Under Suspicion, Shining Through, Husbands and Wives, Leap of Faith, Ethan Frome, Robbie Cario, Secondlers, List Nell, Rob Roy, Michael Collins, Before and After, Les Miserables, The Hunting, Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace, Gun Shy, The Endurance, Shackleton's Legendary, Antarctic Expedition, Star Wars Episode 2, Attack of the Clones, K-19, and The Windowmaker, Gangs of New York, Martin Luther, Love Actually, Coral Reef Adventure, Kinsey, Kingdom of Heaven, Batman Begins, Breakfast on Pluto, The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, The Witch and The Wardrobe, Home, Seraphim Falls, Prince Caspian, The Other Man, Taken, 5 Minutes of Heaven, Ponyo, Afterlife, Chloe, Clash of the Titans, The A-Team, The Chronicles of Narnia, The Voyage of the Dawn Treader, The Next 3 Days, The Wildest Dream, Unknown, The Grey, Wrath of the Titans, The Patriot of America, Battleship, The Dark Knight Rises, Taken 2, Third Person, Combo, Anchorman 2, The Legend Continues, The Nut Job, The Lego Movie, The Prophet, Non-Stop, A Million Ways to Die in the West, A Walk Among Tombstones, Love, High Nature, Road, Taken 3, Run All Night, Entourage, Ted 2, The Christmas Star, The Huntsman, Winter Star, Operation Chromite, A Monster Calls Silence, Mark Felt, The Man Who Brought Down the White House, Daddy's Home 2, and The Commuter, The Blade of Buster Scruggs, Widows, Cold Pursuit, Men in Black International, Honest Thief, and The Normal People. These are the movies in which Liam Neeson played important roles. He also appeared in television shows, and he also appeared in the 3 video games: Batman Begins, Failure 3, and Lego Dimensions. Friends, this was the biography of Liam Neeson and important information about Liam Neeson. Okay, goodbye.